Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to unbox the YuXin Little Magic Pyraminx. Let's get started. So here we go, we got the YuXin Little Magic Pyraminx, the magnetic version. So now let's open this. Okay, so here we got a cube. So you can see that I have received the package with the pop to tip, but that's not a problem. Now let's fix that. So now let's see the color shades. The color shades are good, decent color shades. So well, you can see we got the blue internal. So mostly we got the primary internals, but blue is pretty unique. So as you guys can see, the cube is a little bit glossy and it looks good. So now let's see the specs of the cube. It's 96mm from corner to corner. It weighs 84 grams. And now let's see what are the things come out with the package. So first you got the puzzle, the Pyraminx, and secondly you got the box, and next you got the solving pamphlet that's fully in Chinese. Mostly we don't use that. And these are the things in the box. So finally let's give this puzzle a turn. So the turning of the cube is so fast and flexible and also unstable, and the magnets are pretty medium, and the tip magnets are so strong as you can see. So did this cube worth a buy? So the YuXin Little Magic Pyraminx is $10. If you spend $6 more, you can get the X-Man Bell Pyraminx V2, which is 8 grams lighter than the YuXin Little Magic Pyraminx, and it has a lot of customizable features than this cube. So if you are planning to buy the YuXin Little Magic Pyraminx, so just wait for a while and save some cash. Give X-Men Bell V2 a buy. Well, that would be a great pick. And that's for today's video, and I catch you all next one.